These are the examples as follows. These examples are the examples which are very frequently, as I said earlier, these are I am taking examples which are very frequently asked in examination. Simple, typical, related to physics concepts, and also they are related to our practical purpose and lot many things. I think we have solved this problem earlier, but still once again we are repeating this because of its importance as follows. Okay, so write the statement of the example. This is example 1 today. Example 1 today. So write the statement. The acceleration of gravity can be found from the length small l and period capital T. So these are the two parameters given, capital T, of pendulum, simple pendulum or of pendulum, using formula. Most of you might be knowing this formula. This is given by G is equal to 4 pi square into L upon capital T. Now next is find. This is the formula you have been given, relationship between G and L and T. Now find the relative error in G, in worst case, worst case, in worst case, if the relative error in L is 5% and relative error in capital T is 2%. So this is the statement you have been given of this example. You have to solve this particular question very easily as shown. Now in earlier discussion we have seen absolute errors, we have shown percentage error as well as relative error. So absolute, okay, you can write here if you want asked. Absolute error is suppose I am measuring some quantity A, so change in A, that is dA upon A, that is called as absolute error, and relative or percentage, these are the same words. Relative or percentage errors are this absolute error multiplied by 100. Whenever it is multiplied by 100, that numbers absolute error into 100, that becomes relative error or percentage error. Here we have been given the relative or percentage errors in both of these measurement. And one more word comes here, that is called as worst case. Okay, and remember this problem can be changed by making single word. याच्यामध्ये फक्त एकच प्रश्न बदलायचा किंवा एकच शब्द बदलायचा आणि त्याला आपण म्हणतो की वर्स्ट केस. ओके, समटाइम्स दिस वर्स्ट केस, okay, WRST, worst case or maximum possible error, these are the same words. okay, काही वेळा हा प्रॉब्लेम असा विचारला जातो की मॅक्सिमम कॅल्क्युलेट द रिलेटिव्ह एरर इन जी किंवा relative maximum possible error in G if the relative errors in L is 5% and relative errors is in capital T is 2%. So problem is just same. Worst case maximum possible errors means we have to add all such errors. We are जरी एखादी क्वांटिटी डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये असली, एरर काढताना ती जरी निगेटिव्ह असली तर दोन क्वांटिटी सबस्ट्रॅक्ट नाही करायच्या. ऑल क्वांटिटीज आर टू बी ॲडेड टुगेदर when these two words appears, either worst case or when it appears maximum possible errors. So here we have been asked the worst case, so accordingly we have to make a certain changes there. Okay, I'll go for this problem here. Now since we have been given G is equal to okay, since we have been given G is equal to 4 pi square into L upon T square. Okay, now take log of both sides. As usual, earlier we have done this, taking logarithm of both sides. I'll take this on this side, taking log of both sides.
Sir,
yes,
it's T or T square?
T square, T square. मागच्या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये आपलं चुकलं इथे लिहायला. सॉरी, दिस इज T square. Actual formula is, मला आठवत असेल, the formula for period of this is given to be twice pi root L upon G, isn't it? बघा आठवतोय का 1 upon twice pi. बरोबर, हाच फॉर्म्युला आहे. Therefore making it square, you will get T square equal to 4 pi square into L upon G, and taking this G here you will get 4 pi square into L upon capital T square. That is correct. So in our formula itself थोड़ा change करा, that is T square in the denominator. So taking natural logarithm, we will get, now this simple, this is ln G is equal to, now this is ln of 4 pi square, ln of 4 pi square into plus ln of L, and पाहिजे तर हे ब्रॅकेट मध्ये लिहा, minus ln of T square. Okay, quantity in the denominator, taking its logarithm, it will appear in the numerator with negative sign. And further simplifying this log A into B can be written as log A into log B. So this can be written as log of 4 plus, I can take this index here, 2 into log of pi, natural log of pi, plus this is ln of L, and this is also minus 2 ln of capital T. Okay, therefore ln of G is equal to this, G in the bracket. Now taking differentials of both sides, you have to take differentials of both sides. Okay, and we know that d of ln x is given by, differential of ln x is 1 upon x into dx. That type of differential is to be used here for each and every quantity on the left hand side as well as right hand side. Therefore I'll get there to be this is dg, change in g divided by g. Differential of log g is dg upon g is equal to, differential of log 4 is simply 0. There is no differential, it is a constant. That's why I won't get anything here.